In this video, we will learn how you can automatically add a card in Trello when a new thread is created in Twist. So let's say you want every time a new thread is created in Twist, a card should be created in Trello. So we are going to automate this entire process using Pabbly Connect. Come to my screen to see how we do this. To automatically add Twist threads as cards in Trello, let us first go to Pabbly's website. You can see the landing page of Pabbly. On the top right, you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. Well, if you sign up free, you will get free tasks every month. So do not forget to sign up. Since we already have an account, we will just sign in. Now Pabbly Connect. On top right, you will see a Create Workflow button. It will ask you to name. We will simply write Twist to Trello. Let us create. Now you will see two windows here, Trigger and Action. Trigger is when this happens, action says do this. So our entire automation process would be based on these two steps, trigger and action. Let us understand this with the help of an example. A trigger can be when a purchase is made, an action can be send a confirmation message to the user. In our case, a trigger can be whenever a thread is created here in Twist, the action can be create a card in Trello. So let us begin and select Twist as our trigger application. For the trigger event, we will select new thread. Let us connect the two, add new connection and connect with Twist. It says authorization successful. Since you are already logged into my Twist account, I did not have to give my credentials. Now let us click on save and send test request and you will see it is waiting for a response. So now we will quickly go to Twist and create a dummy thread there, so to check if Pabbly is successfully connected, integrated with Twist. Alright, so this is my Twist account. You can see I am creating a new thread here. The title here is SU Meet and then this is the text here. I have tagged one of the employees here saying kindly check the audit report. Okay, so now I will just post it and you will see the thread is created over here. Now let us go to Pabbly and see if it is able to capture the response. And yes, Pabbly has captured the response. You will see, if I'll scroll down, you will see this was the text. Kindly check the audit report. You will see the title as well. So this means we have successfully integrated our Twist with Pabbly. Now on to our action step. So here we will select Trello as our action application. For the action event, we are going to select create a card with plain text type description. Let us connect, add a new connection, and now you will see it needs few details here like username, API key and token. So here in the help text below, you will see to get these details, we will first have to log into our Trello account. I'm already logged into my Trello. After login, you can get the API key and generate a token from here. So let us open this link in a new tab. And right on the top, you will see API key. Copy it, come back to Pabbly and paste it here. And now again, we will go to this page here. Here in this paragraph, you will see a token here. Let us click on this. And right in front, you will see the username. So we will copy the username and paste it here. Now we need a token. Again, we will go to the same page. This was the page. Okay. If you scroll down, just click on allow. And here it will generate you your token, your access token. Just copy it. Come back to Pabbly and paste it. Now save. Okay, it's connecting and you will see it's connected. So now it has fetched all the boards that I had created in my Trello account. Like you can see here, I'll show you. This is my Trello here. Let me quickly close these tabs. And you will see this is my Trello dashboard, and these are the various boards that I have created. So I will be working on class board. So this is my class board. Now it needs list ID. Okay, so in the drop down, if you'll see, there'll be these list names like testing custom fields, first list, task, my test move, and so on. So I'm going to select the list I want to work on. So first I'll take you to my Trello, and you will see the list here. Testing custom fields, first list, task, as it was showing here in the Pabbly drop down. So I will be working here in task list. Okay. Therefore, I will select task as the list ID. Now it needs a few details like the name of the card. So that we are going to map. We'll go to twist, and if you'll scroll down, you will see here SEO Meet as the title. I want my card to be named as SEO Meet. Before we map in this, you must be thinking, where exactly are we getting all these data from? So for that, I will take you to step 1, where we integrated twist with Pabbly, did a test submission, created a dummy thread here in the twist, and Pabbly captured all this response. So Pabbly has brought exactly the same response over here, and that's how we are going to easily map it. So for quick results, let me just search like this, SEO, and you will get the name here. Now let's see if there is any description. Okay, if I'll scroll down in the snippet, you will see this is the tagging the person here, tagging my employee. You can see, kindly check the audit report. Okay, this is the description I want. Now, where would you like your card, top or bottom? So I'll show you here. I want my card on top of this Telegram card. Okay, so therefore I'll select the position as top. Now it needs member ID. So although it is not a required field, but we are going to take the member ID. So quickly pay attention as how we use this list board members action to get the member ID, as it is written here in help text. Okay, I'll scroll above, add an action step in between, select Trello as our action application. Once again, for the action event, from here, I'm just going to copy this action event, list board members, okay, and paste it, and you will see the action event here. Connect. Since we were already connected to Trello, I will go with existing connection. Save. And it's connecting. And you will see it's connected. Now comes the board. So since these are the boards that I have in my Trello account, like I showed you earlier. So I'm currently working on class board. Like you will see here, this is the class board. So I've selected this board here. And now using this board, it will get the members who are working currently on this board, okay, on class board. So just I'll click on save and send test request. And you will see we have received the response. So there are 3 members working on the board. You will see this Mahesh Pawar, then Pabbly Connect, and Sonam. So now we got our board members here. Now coming back to the final step, that was Trello. We will reconnect. Why? Because we added a step in between here, like you can see. So to get the updated details, we are going to quickly reconnect. Since we are already connected, we are going to go with the existing connection now. Okay, it's processing. Okay, now these fields we had already mapped in. We wanted member ID. So now we are going to take this Trello list board members step. We are going to map it from here. So we want to assign this to this Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I'm going to, instead of the full name or the username, I'm going to take the ID here. I'm going to use the member ID as it is written. It needs members ID here. So I want to assign it to Pabbly Connect. So I will take the member ID here. Okay. Now for the label ID, it is also not mandatory or required. So we are going to skip it for now in case you need it. So again, you can go here on top of this and you can add an action step in the between. Using list labels action, you will be able to get the label ID. Due date, if you have, you can map it here. Since we don't, I'm going to skip it as it is not a required field, and make sure your due date is in this format. Only then Trello will be able to take it. So we have mapped in almost all the details that were needed. Yes, name is there, description is there, and member ID is there. Just one more thing before I click on save and send test request. You can see here these mapped in fields, name, description, and member ID. So these mapped in fields from next time will automatically be updated. So what will happen the next time here in Twist, a new thread is created and Pabbly captures the response. So here in Trello, these mapped in fields like name, description, and member ID will automatically be updated. They will automatically pick the new data and you will not have to do it manually. Now let us click on save and send test request. And you will see we have received the response. You'll see right on the top it is generated this ID here. If you scroll down, you will get other details as well here. That is the name of the card that we had given, SU Meet, and other details. Now let me take you to my Trello account and see if a card with any such name like SU Meet was created there. This is my Trello. I'm on class board and you can see right on the top of Telegram card, I have created this SU Meet card here. And remember using member ID, we assign it to Pabbly Connect. So here you can see this is Pabbly Connect. It has come here. And if you will click inside the card, you will see right below the title here and member here, you will see the description that we have given. We had tagged Pabbly. Kindly check the audit report. It's coming here. So this means we have successfully integrated our Trello and Twist using Pabbly Connect. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more such videos, you can subscribe to our channel on YouTube. For further queries, you can visit forum.pabbly.com and you can also check our pricing details at www.pabbly.com.